Welcome back. South Korean authorities have arrested impeached President Yoon Suk Yeol in their second attempt to detain him. Yoon was holed up for weeks while being investigated on insurrection charges after an attempt to impose martial law. A court had granted an extension to a previous warrant as well, following a failed arrested attempt earlier this month. Now, investigators had to use leaders to enter his residence compound after clashes broke out when his guards blocked the main gate. Visuals from the spot showed a series of black SUVs leaving the presidential compound amidst police escorts. In a video message, Yoon said the rule of law has completely collapsed in South Korea, but said he was complying with the detention warrant to prevent clashes between law enforcement officials and the Presidential Security Service. Sung-hoon, the acting chief of the Presidential Security Service, was also arrested for blocking their initial attempt to arrest Yoon Suk Yeol. Aditya is joining us for more on this story. Aditya, what has transpired in South Korea?
Well, absolutely, Uday. It was bound to happen. You know, there were protests going on against this Yoon because for the first time, such an unprecedented situation has happened in South Korea that the president had declared martial law, and you know, its first comments after getting arrested to the public is that I do not recognize the investigation of the public prosecutor's office. This is just to prevent the bloodshed. So this is something very unprecedented, you know, that has happened in South Korea. It has definitely pushed South Korea in the political turmoil. This is the first time such a thing has happened. And you know, as we already know, there have been several instances in South Korea. You know, the plane crash that has happened in South Korea, and it is already embroiled in a conflict with North Korea. So the political landscape in South Korea at the moment is a little tense. Now it needs to be seen as to where does this case regarding this President Yoon's arresting goes, and you know in which way he is penalized. You know, this needs to be seen. Yes.
All right, Aditya. Thank you for joining us with those details.